Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the power steering, electric power steering fuses relays are located on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation right here from year 2011-2022. Please do not waste any money, guys, on parts, tools and diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Electric power steering, fuses, relays, let's explain where you can expect to find them. If you have 2011 to 13 model, you have a mechanical power steering, so you don't need to worry about that one. We will explain now about 2014 to 2022 year model. Go ahead and open the hood. Facing the engine on the left side is your main engine fuse box. Once you open it, you will have that layout right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And guys, you have one little bitty fuse responsible for electric power steering. You wonder where it's located. We'll talk about that. If you come in that row of fuses, starting on the left, that's fuse number 72, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fuse 78 is the one that we will, guys, need to check for the electric power steering. You don't have a relay, it's that fuse. Now, guys, supposed to have mega fuse, but many of the Chrysler, Jeep products, Alfa Romeos, they actually avoid the mega fuses somehow. But always, if you have problems with it, we have a video on our YouTube channel that explains why power steering does not work. Check it out. It will teach you guys what you need to check, what to look for, and how to test components as well. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.